In this video, I'll be showing you how to end music smoothly in Premiere Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. But let's say you have a music track and let's say all of a sudden it ends abruptly. That could be quite annoying. So what you want to go ahead and do instead is whenever you have your music track, you basically want to add a fade to it so that it ends smoothly. So what you could go ahead and do is firstly look at the audio track. Maybe I just want to end it here instead of starting another beat. As you can see, there is another beat right there. But what I could also go ahead and do is right click on this area right here, right at the end, and you're going to see apply default transitions. So I could go ahead and do that. And this is going to add a crossfade in it. And I can also change the length of the crossfade. It shows how many, like frames or seconds it's going to add. So let's say, one frame is 1 second for me because I'm on the 60 FPS timeline. But then this is going to slowly smooth out, your music, and it's just going to smoothly go out without any abrupt ending. What you can also do is go over to effects, and then, we can go over to audio transitions, and then there's going to be different types of crossfades like constant gain, constant power, and exponential fade. I'd recommend doing something like exponential fade, but it also does depend on what you're aiming for, and it's worth recommend just trying all of these different ones, and then you'll be in a much better spot. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.